Sandwiches of Canada with Sandwich Dad. Hello and welcome to Sandwiches of Canada. I'm Sandwich Dad. On today's episode, we're going to be making a classic mid-century Canadian dish and turning it into a sandwich. We're making salmon loaf, and we're going to turn it into a salmon loaf Caesar sandwich. Let's go. In case you didn't know, salmon loaf is essentially a meatloaf, but made with canned salmon. I'm using this club-sized pink salmon from No Name. That's because there are 5 of us, and I do need some for leftovers for my sandwich after I make this for dinner, but you can use a regular-sized can of salmon. This is my mother's recipe. The recipe itself for salmon loaf dates back to 1918 in Canadian cookbooks. Lemon, salt, pepper, bit of Worcester sauce is what my mom uses, some Keen's mustard powder, as well as a little bit of chopped celery, some green or white onion. I'm using green onion. Some nice fresh chopped dill. Dried dill also perfectly suitable, but really any recipe to put it all together is perfectly suitable. Add an egg, add some breadcrumbs. I did actually use a second egg because this was a lot of material in here and I wanted to make sure it was moist but not too wet. Moist being David Usher's original Canadian 90s alternative band, Too Wet being the cover band. Okay, let's get our loaf pan out here, line it with some parchment paper, and start scooping in our filling. We'll press it down with a fork until it looks halfway decent, and that's about it. Throw it in the oven for, 350 for a while. And then we're also going to make a Caesar salad for this side. This is just some toasted bread I turned into croutons, some bacon bits, some Caesar salad, and my Caesar dressing. Here's the finished loaf once it's done. Looks pretty nice, don't you think? I would certainly say so. Made for a lovely dinner. Now, when my mom texted me this recipe, she said, make sure you serve it with rice and creamed corn. No, thank you. This may be a throwback recipe, but no need to go back that far. Fast forward to the next day. I suppose you could make this when everything is hot and fresh, but we're doing a leftover sandwich today. So here's my leftover, nice thick piece of salmon loaf. And for this sandwich, we are going to use a hot dog bun. Doing it Québécois style. Peut-être belle quelque chose comme Geddy pain de salmon. As for condiments, one thing that goes really great with this salmon loaf is a nice dill-flavored mustard. I'm using Gravelberg's dill-flavored mustard. And then cut up our chunks of salmon loaf, make them fit on our bun here. You could even reheat them if you wish. And then we're going to add our leftover Caesar salad. And that's it. I haven't really come up with a name for it just yet, other than salmon loaf Caesar sandwich. But maybe you can come up with a name in the comments and let me know what you think this sandwich should be called. Here it is. But you know what? I did forget to do something. I forgot to, yes, you guessed it, cut diagonally and reveal. There it is. Salmon loaf, Caesar salad sandwich taste test. That is delicious and refreshing. A great addition to the pantheon of sandwiches of Canada. You know what my favorite part is? It's those little vertebrae bones that come in the canned salmon. So crunchy, and it's weird and fun to eat bones. Anyway, salmon loaf, Sandwich Dad, good day!